Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to post GIFs on threads. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded a GIF. So first of all, basically you need to open up the threads application on your Android and iOS, and then you will start a new thread here, and then you need to tap on this attachment icon here, and here you can see that at the top here I have this GIF. So I will just select this GIF here, and it will process it as a GIF, and here you can see that I have this GIF here. So I will just post it. Okay, and here you can see that basically it's posting here. So we will go into our profile, and we will wait for it to be posted. So here you can see that we have posted a GIF on the threads app. So that's how you can basically post a GIF. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.